Hi kids, welcome to Bloom Learn. If you are watching for the first time, please subscribe the channel for more interesting videos. Republic Day. In India, Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year. January 26, 2021 marks the 72nd Indian Republic Day. Republic Day is a national festival of India. On this day, the Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950. The Constitution is the supreme law of India. The Constitution of India is the largest written constitution in the world. Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar is the father of the Constitution of India. India became a secular and a democratic country on this day. We all respect the Constitution of India. Our President addresses the nation on this day. We hoist our national flag and sing national anthem on this day. In New Delhi, a huge parade is conducted by Army, Navy and Air Force on this day. We must respect our freedom and freedom fighters. Schools, colleges and other educational institutions celebrate this day with great joy and enthusiasm. Republic Day inspires us to maintain unity, equality and pride of our nation. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and click the bell icon and don't forget to like, share and comment the video. Bye.